Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at coterminal angles. And so two angles are called coterminal if, one, both angles are in standard position, and two, both angles have the same terminal side. And so here we're going to look at some examples. This is 45 degrees like that. Going an additional 360, this is 405 like that. And then going by negative 360 on the other side, we get negative 315 like that. So 45, 405, and negative 315 are all coterminal angles. Okay, so example 1, determine two coterminal angles. So in the practice, your answers may vary, but we'll do a couple together. So 30, we can go plus 360, which is 390 degrees, or we can go minus 360 to get negative 330. B, 110, so we can go plus 360, 470. We can go 2 rounds of 360, which gives 830 like that. Okay, so practice number 1, determine two coterminal angles, A, B, C, D. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So 50, we can go plus 360, which gives 410, or we can go minus 360, which is negative 310. B, 135, so we can go plus 360 for 495, or we can go twice 360 to get 855. C, 270, so we can go plus 360 for 630, or we can go minus 360 for negative 90. D, 340, so plus 360 gives 700, or minus 360 gives negative 20. Okay, example 2. Find the coterminal angle that lies between 0 and 360. So here we have 1840. Now we're going to divide that by 360, which gives 5.1. So that means there are 5 rounds of 360. And so those 5 rounds of 360 is 1,800 degrees. So we're going to do 1840 minus 1800, and that gives 40. So the coterminal angle here is 40. Okay, let's do some more examples. B, 2252. So there are 6 full rounds of 360. So that gives 2160. So we're going to go 2252 minus 2160 gives 92. And so that is the coterminal angle. Okay, C. Negative 1530. So we divide that by 360, we get negative 4.25. So that's 1440, right? 4 times 360 is 1440. So if we do negative 1530 plus 1440, we get negative 90. But negative 90 is not between 0 and 360. So we have to add another 360 to make it positive between 0 and 360. And so that coterminal angle is 270. Okay, practice number 2. Find the coterminal angle that lies between 0 and 360. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So A, 1950. So divide that by 360 gives 5.4. So there's 5 rounds of 360. That gives 1800. So we have 1950 minus 1800 gives 150. And so that is the coterminal angle. B, 2323 divided by 360 gives 6 point something. So there's 6 rounds of 360, which is 2160 like that. So 2323 minus 2160 gives 163 as our coterminal angle. Negative 1650. So there's negative 4 rounds here. And to make it positive, we're going to use 5 rounds like we saw in the previous example, which gives 1800. So negative 1650 plus 1800 gives 150. And so 150 is that coterminal angle. Okay, negative 1300, divide by 360, negative 3 point something. 3 won't be enough, so we use 4. 4 times 360, 1440. So negative 1300 plus 1440 gives 140 as our coterminal angle. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.